In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this WASSCE or WAEC chemistry problems under salts. So let's get started. The first question I have here says, an aqueous solution of sodium carbonate is, so sodium carbonate is a base, so it will be alkaline. Okay, option A. Next question will be this one. It says, which of the following compounds crystallizes without water crystallization? We have sodium chloride, iron, 2-sulfate, sodium carbonate, magnesium sulfate. So the right option will be option A, sodium chloride. So is a compound that crystallizes without water crystallization. Next question will be this one. It says, which of the following salts is not prepared by precipitation? We have calcium triiosocarbonate, we have this barium triiosocarbonate, sodium triiosocarbonate. So the right option here will be option D, which is sodium triiosocarbonate. 4. Okay, next question will be this one. It says, which of the following salt solution will have a pH greater than 7? So that should be a basic compound. Alright, so the right option here would be option A, which is sodium carbonate. Sodium chloride is a common salt. This is sodium hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6. Okay, so this is an acidic salt. This one is sodium sulfate. This one is also a common salt. So the right option is option A, sodium carbonate, which is a basic compound, is a base. Okay, so a base, its pH is greater than 7. Next question will be this one. It says, a solution of salt was acidified with hydrochloric acid. When a few drops of barium chloride solution were added, a white precipitate was formed. Which of the following anions is present in the salt? So the right option will be option B, which is tetraoxosulfate 6 ion. Okay, so take note of this question, guys, very important. Next question will be this one. It says, the most suitable method for preparing the 2 chloride is by, we have acts on dilute hydrochloric acid on lead, action of dilute HCl on lead carbonate, mixing aqueous solution of lead nitrates and sodium chloride, action of dilute HCl and lead sulfates, lead 2 sulfates. So guys, the right option to this question will be option C, mixing aqueous solutions of lead nitrate and this sodium chloride. Okay, so that's the right option. The next question with this one. It says, when copper sulfate, copper 2 sulfate is added to lead nitrates, there would be no visible change. A white precipitate would be formed, a blue precipitate would be formed, the resulting solution would be colorless. So the right option would be option B, a white precipitate would be formed. Okay, next question will be this one. It says, a solution of a salt X reacts with silver nitrate solution to give white precipitate, which dissolves in excess aqueous ammonia. S contains, the right option will be option B, guys. Take note of this question, which is zinc ion. Okay, next question will be this one. It says, which of the following salts on hydrolysis would give an alkaline solution? So just check for a basic compound here. So the right option will be option B, which is sodium acetate. Sodium acetate is basic in nature. Okay, so if this salt on hydrolysis, it will give alkaline solution. Okay, so when you dissolve in water, you're going to have a basic solution. Next question will be this one. It says, which of the following compound is not a double salt? So the one that has OH or hydroxide or hydroxide will be the answer. So it's option A, zinc hydroxide nitrate or zinc hydroxide nitrate, which is a basic salt. Okay, so it's not a double salt, it's a basic salt. The next question will be this one. It says, on heating, the following triiosocarbonate 4 salts decompose to give solid residue, except we have zinc triiosocarbonate 4, calcium triiosocarbonate 4, lead 2 triiosocarbonate 4, ammonium triiosocarbonate 4. Okay, so the right option would be option D. Okay, ammonium triiosocarbonate 4. Next question with this one. It says, so soluble salts can be prepared by the following methods, except, so since it's soluble salt, it can be prepared except double decomposition. Option C, the right option. Next question will be this one. You see the following substances are normal salt except, so this one I have OH hydroxy group in it won't be the answer. So magnesium hydroxy nitrate. This is a basic salt. Okay. Next question will be this one. You see the common method of preparing soluble salts is by, so guys, take note of this question, is by double decomposition. All right, double decomposition is the common method of preparing insoluble salts. Okay, the next question will be this one. It says potassium triiodonitrate 5 can be obtained from a solution by, the right option will be crystallization. Okay, so the next question will be this one. It says which of the following methods is suitable for the preparation of insoluble salts. So I think we have attempted something which is double decomposition insoluble. Whereas had it been insoluble, it would have been neutralization, but since it's insoluble, it's double decomposition. Last question before I end this video will be this one. It says the products formed when sodium hydrogen triose carbon 4 is heated strongly are option A, carbon 4 oxide and sodium hydride. No, sodium triose carbon 4 oxide and steam. Yes, so this is the right option. So the right option is option B. This basically can do problems involving salts for your WASSCE chemistry. We practice with about 17 to 20 repeated questions. And this video, hope this was interesting. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to the channel once, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. Also like, share, comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question the comment section below, and ensure to give a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you're getting premium information that help you to send your exams like your WASSCE and other exams you'll be writing. Alright guys, having known this, click on the screen above and I will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.